So these right here are delicious collard spring rolls, and I'm pairing them with my delicious healthy vegan sweet and spicy mustard sauce. If you like healthy food that tastes delicious, you'll love this combination. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, let's talk about what we're going to use and make these delicious spring rolls. But first I want to say, this is my kind of eating. I love recipes like this. I love all the recipes I do, but these are my favorite because they're reflective of how I eat. When we combine everything, our ingredients are going to be about 80% raw and about 20% cooked, which is typically how I eat. A large salad with quinoa, a large salad with hummus, etc., etc. So I love this kind of eating. This is the essence of healthy vegan eating. All right, let's talk about what we're going to use. We're going to use some collard leaves here. Delicious cruciferous vegetables are like the healthiest food on the planet, probably. Cruciferous vegetables activate the NRF2 pathway that detoxes our body, so they're great cleansers, great cancer fighters. Cruciferous vegetables are the healthiest foods there are. Red cabbage, another cruciferous vegetable. Some carrots, some cucumber, some red pepper, some yellow pepper. We're going to use some quinoa. A lot of times you would use rice in a spring roll, but I prefer quinoa. And then we're going to use some almond butter, but you could use any nut or seed butter that you prefer. We're going to use some mustard. We're going to use some coconut aminos, some date paste, and some sriracha sauce. Now, keep in mind, this is going to make a spicy, sweet and spicy mustard sauce. And that's the key to this dish, because without it, it's just vegetables and quinoa. It's still good, but it's pretty bland. It doesn't have the flavor. But when you dip it in this sauce or you put this sauce over it, trust me, everything comes alive and it works out perfectly. Let's start putting them together. All right, so the first step that we're going to do is prepare our collards. Now, one way you can prepare the collards is by blanching them. You can simply, boil some water, put them in briefly, take them out just to soften them and so they're easier to roll and easier to chew. The second option, and what I'm going to do today, is I'm going to take my collard leaves and rub them in lemon. And the lemon, rubbing them in lemon and massaging them is going to pretty much do the same thing as blanching them would. So you can do it either way. Now, before I even do that, I'm going to make these easier to roll when it's time to roll them by cutting the stem, because the stems are rounded, and when you go to roll it, it can kind of be awkward. But if you cut them and flatten them a bit, it makes it a lot easier to roll, a lot easier to deal with. So that's how I'm going to start. Okay, now here I want to use a really sharp knife for this step, and then I'm just going to take a lemon that I cut in half and I'm going to rub it all over both sides of the collard green leaves. Okay, so now I've got my lemon on my collards. These have been sitting for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, typically when you do this, what you could do to be strategic is you could massage your collards with the lemon first. And while they're sitting, you could be cutting your vegetables and making your sauce. But I already pre-cut the veggies, so I just let them sit for a little while. And now we're gonna get our quinoa and our vegetables in them, get them rolled, and then we'll put together that delicious sauce. Now, there are lots of different cruciferous vegetables that you can find at your grocery store, and they all have super health promoting benefits, as many studies have shown. Now, cruciferous vegetables do contain a substance that can block the uptake of iodine, so some people worry about thyroid health if consuming cruciferous vegetables. But this is only if you add massive amounts to juices or smoothies before it becomes problematic. The take-home point: eat lots of cruciferous vegetables, juice, and add them to smoothies in moderate amounts. Okay, so now I've added my quinoa and my veggies to my collard leaf. Now it's time to get them rolled. Now, the way I like to do it is roll a little bit and then tuck the sides as I go. However, if you're dealing with really small collard leaves, you could just roll them without tucking them at all, and then repeat the process for each leaf. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. Okay, so now I've got my spring rolls done. I've got them set aside for a moment. Now for the best part, the sauce. And with this particular food, the sauce is the thing that really brings the flavor. Gotta make this, and the best part is so simple to make. Let's do it now. So it doesn't get any easier than this. We're simply gonna add our ingredients into the bowl and then mix them until they're smooth. And I'm telling you guys, this sauce really creates the perfect combination to go with fresh veggies. You'll love it. All right, guys, these are done and looking beautiful. Lots of color, lots of flavor. And as I said, the key to this dish is the delicious sweet and spicy mustard sauce. The combination is amazing. That sauce is amazing. And so are these when you put them together. If you like spring rolls, healthy food, you gotta try these. You'll love them. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipe to the videos like the ones you just watched, look below the video and tap on the word more, and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.